This fitting guide is for the TA4751. Inside the box, you will find 6 individual pieces. First, take the driver's side backrest cover. This is identified by this hole on the side of the cover, which lines up with the adjuster on the seat. Next, undo all of the hook and loop fastenings on the cover. Before throwing the cover over the top of the seat and pulling it down. You can now come round to the back of the seat where you can undo this hook and loop fastening. Feed it underneath the fold down tray and reattach the hook and loop. Feed the hook and loop through underneath the headrest and secure it at the back of the seat. You can now feed the adjuster through this hole in the cover. Push the cover through at the bottom of the seat and pull it through round to the back. Make sure to push through the 2 little tabs on either side of the base. The hook and loop along the side of the seat can now be secured. Followed by the hook and loop at the bottom of the seat. Make sure to fasten the 2 little tabs that you pushed through earlier. Next, grab the base cover, which is identifiable by this guide rope which goes on the side closest to the door. Loop the cover over the base of the seat. Making sure that you leave these 2 tabs of hook and loop free. Next, tuck in the guide rope that we showed you earlier. Feed these 2 tabs of hook and loop through to the back of the seat. And once they're through, you can give them a pull to make sure that the base cover is nice and tight. Take the remaining 2 tabs of hook and loop and feed them underneath the seat right through to the back of the vehicle. These are simply then secured onto the rest of the hook and loop like so. Lastly, take the headrest cover and simply pull it over the top of the headrest and pull it down to the bottom. The process for the other seat is exactly the same but reversed. Here it is again sped up. Your seats are now fully protected.